Hi everyone and welcome to Touch Solutions. In this video I'm going to show you how to save your Canva designs as a PDF. So if you're creating a presentation, brochure or any other type of design, saving to PDF is a really good way to ensure your work to look more professional and is easy to share. So first we're going to go to canva.com, and for this example I'm going to use this picture that Canva already has. But remember that this process can be done with any document that you want to save as a PDF. So here my example is ready, and now what I am going to do is I'm going to change some of the text. I'm going to delete this problem and I want to write hello everyone. So now when our file is ready, we're going to go to the upper right part and we're going to click on share. Now here we're going to click on download and then we're going to click on file type. It is going to give us two PDF options and we're going to choose PDF standard because it's the one that is better for emails, for presentations, is the one that is better to share. When you have it ready, you're going to click on download and there your file is going to start downloading. It will let you know when it's ready and you're going to double click on it. And there you go. As you can see, this file is saved as a PDF. It's already in my computer and it's very simple to do. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.